Officer Dan here. Today I'm going to be tackling installing my Prinsu roof rack onto my 2007 4th Gen 4runner. Once again, I'm making this video because there isn't one for the 4th Gen. There's 3rd Gen, there's 5th Gen, but there's no 4th Gen. So I got you. It is relatively easy to get these plastic covers off. What you need to do first, you just need something flat, putty knife, screwdriver, or what have you, and just kind of work your way around and they pop off like that. Next up, you just need to remove the 2 Torx bolts holding in each side. Now this happens to be a T40. Now rinse and repeat for the rest of the sides. Next step is just going to be to lift it up and remove it off the truck.
Once you have the old rack off, it's time to put the Prinsu up on top. Get your wife, your best friend, your dog, or anybody else that you know to give you some helping hands in getting this thing all the way up onto the roof, like so.
So once you have the rack up with some help from your lovely wife, and you only scratch the car just a little bit, then you have this bag of hardware. The mounting hardware. And this is where I was kind of confused as to how it was going to go on, but basically these black spacers go underneath where the feet go onto the actual roof, then a large washer, and then the actual bolt goes down to hold the rack on. So I'm going to do that process now. So now that I know how this works, I'm gonna go grab some Loctite so these things don't back their way out while we're driving around and off-roading and stuff. Sick. Now that this side is Loctited in, I got 3 more to go. Gonna get that done, and then we'll tighten them all down. There's no torque specs, so I'm gonna get about as tight as those were when I took those off. There are lock washers that were supposed to go on top of the big washers. I missed those for some stupid reason. Anyway, I gotta put those back on, and then I'm gonna tighten these things down. So the bolts that hold the rack to the truck are just 13mm straight across. Easy peasy. I got all of them tightened down. I used an impact for some of them and a wrench for the others that I couldn't get to. So now that the rack is solid, I just need to reassemble all of the crap that goes on the top of it, and we should be good to go. And that's it. That's how you install a Prinsu roof rack to the top of a 4th Gen 4runner. Catch you on the flip side. Officer Dan, out.